If your Chrome browser is acting strange, showing unwanted pop-ups, changing your search engine, or slowing down for no reason, there's a good chance a malicious extension could be involved. In this video, I'm going to show you how to defend against Chrome malware extensions using a simple workaround that helps you remove suspicious add-ons, check your security, and restore your browser settings safely. This is one of the fastest ways to get Chrome back under control, and it only takes a few minutes. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome and look at the top right corner of your browser. Click the three dots menu, then go to Extensions and click Manage Extensions. This will open a page showing every extension currently installed in Chrome. Now take your time and review each one carefully. You want to look for anything you do not recognize, anything you no longer use, or anything that appeared recently without you intentionally installing it. Malware extensions often hide by using names that sound helpful or normal, so don't just glance at the list. Open each extension if needed and check what it actually does. If you find one that looks suspicious, click Remove. This is often the fastest way to stop malicious behavior in Chrome because the extension can no longer interfere with your browser, your search results, or your browsing activity. Once you've cleaned up the obvious suspicious add-ons, the next step is to run Chrome's safety check. Go back into Chrome settings, then click Privacy and Security and look for the Safety Check button. Click it and let Chrome scan your browser. Chrome will check for harmful extensions, unsafe settings, and other security issues that may affect your device or your browsing experience. This is a great built-in tool because it can point out problems you may have missed manually. If Chrome recommends removing or fixing anything, follow those prompts right away. Next, you should inspect the permissions that your remaining extensions are using. Go back to Extensions, open Manage Extensions again, and this time click Details under each extension you still trust. Review the permissions carefully. Pay close attention to requests like reading browsing history, changing search settings, or accessing all websites. Those permissions are powerful, and they should only be granted to extensions that truly need them. If an extension asks for far more access than it should, that's a red flag. A simple extension should not need total control of your browsing data. The safest approach is to avoid extensions that ask for excessive permissions, especially if they come from unknown developers or vague product pages. Now let's talk about the safest way to install extensions going forward. Only use extensions from trusted sources, like the official Chrome Web Store, verified publishers, and developers you actually recognize. Before installing anything, take a moment to read the reviews, check the publisher name, and look at the permission requests. A few seconds of caution can save you from a major browser headache later. And if an extension promises unrealistic features, aggressive ad blocking, coupons, free downloads, or browser speed boosts, be extra careful. Those are common traps used by shady extensions. If Chrome still feels compromised after removing suspicious extensions, the final step is to reset Chrome settings. Go into Settings, then look for Reset Settings, and choose Restore Settings to their original defaults. After that, click Reset Settings to confirm. This helps remove hijacked search engines, bad startup pages, and other malicious browser changes that may have been left behind. It won't delete your bookmarks or saved passwords, but it can clear out a lot of browser-level damage and return Chrome to a cleaner, safer state. After the reset, restart Chrome and test your browser again. Check your search engine, your homepage, and your extensions one more time to make sure everything looks normal. If needed, you can reinstall only the extensions you truly trust, one at a time, so it's easier to spot any future problems. The key here is to stay selective and avoid giving unnecessary permissions to anything you add to Chrome. So to recap, remove suspicious extensions, run Chrome Safety Check, review extension permissions, only install from trusted sources, and reset Chrome if needed. That combination gives you a strong defense against malware extensions and helps protect your browsing experience. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.